Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Funko Fans of India. Hope you are all doing great. Today in this video I will take you through what other products made by Funko apart from the Pops. Funko as a company has a tagline saying that everyone is a fan of something. So everyone should be a fan of something. That's why Funko as a company keeps coming with new collectible line now and then. So they have many side products like pop pins, plush, sodas, t-shirt, poppers, and mini figurines. Mini figurines include pocket pops, paka paka, snapsies, and popsies. Popsies is a very recent addition. Even snapsies are the recent addition. So this company deals with huge variety of products, and everything is being tagged and marked with a value, but most of the people collect for Funko Pop 4-inch, which is right in front of me. Other products I will take you through. So let's get into the Funko website and some of the images which I have stored in my mobile phone. I will take you through those pics and show you what are the other products. So let's get into it. Already into Funko website, we can see there is lots of products. So I will take you through one by one. Let's start with the pop pin. Pop pin is just like figure pins, which is metallic. So let's take one of the pop pin. Let's go with Lord Voldemort, Harry Potter. So here the pop design has been taken to make the metallic pin. You can see that the Voldemort is metallic. So this is pop pin. Next we will see plush. Plush toy is usually like a soft toy or cushion type of a thing which is been made by Funko. Like this one, Bellaboo Hollow. Yeah, this is a plush toy. Next we shall move to sodas. Let's go to Deadpool soda. This is a Deadpool soda. So this is a vinyl figurine what you will get inside a soda can. So sodas usually come in a can, tin can, which has mentioned soda. Usually soda as of now it is coming in limited pieces like 5,000, 6,000. The number of pieces has been printed on the soda can. We can see over here, I don't know whether it's visible, 15,000 pieces. So this Deadpool soda is been made only 15,000 across the globe, not more than that. In this 15,000, 20% would be chase. That is this one. This is the chase version of the normal Deadpool Funko soda. So here the Deadpool is holding a unicorn toy. So this is the chase version of the normal version of Funko soda. There are sodas which come just 4,000 pieces. There are soda which come just for 2,000 pieces, 10,000 pieces. So whatever the number of pieces that is mentioned on the soda can, that is the specialty. And this soda is the next hit product of Funko after the Pops. So there are mini vinyl figurines. So mini vinyl figurines will have Pocket Pop. So Pocket Pop is nothing but a keychain, pop keychain, and it's also a pocket pop. It's just a 2-inch figurine which has a keychain. So it comes like this. So there are so many pocket pops on Marvel, on Cartoon Network, Disney characters. So everything it is been made pocket pop. So let's move to another mini vinyl figurine. Mini vinyl figurine consists of pocket pop, paka paka, snapsies, popsies. So next we will move to paka paka. Paka paka is also a very miniature, toy like 1 or 2 inch somewhere, and they are very cute. We can see this Daisy Duck dogs. So this cute figurine is just kept inside the plastic ball, just like we get a gem plastic ball. Inside that many figurines have been kept. This is called as paka paka. Next comes Snapsies. Snapsies are very recent addition, as I mentioned earlier. One of the most unique thing about the Snapsies is it's a very creative product by Funko because these Snapsies are detachable mini figurines. That's the specialty. You can see over here, these Snapsies can be detached and rearranged. You can see here the face, the cap, the tail. This can be detached and rearranged. This is the most creative and innovative product of Funko. I loved it. It's very cute. I want to buy one. Maybe I will import this from US. Here the ball design is different. It's just like polygonal ball, not like spear ball. These Snapsies are too cute. If you can grab this, kindly go for it. This is the most innovative and creative product indeed. Nobody can deny it. So these are the things, and there is a Pop Pass, and Popsies were also announced by Funko. So I will take you through that as well. This is a Pop Pass. This is a Pop Pass. This is one of the product of Funko, and this is Popsies. You can see, guys. I think this pops out. No idea what it actually is because Funko has just announced 3 days back that they are gonna release this soon in Walmarts. So US Walmart, this is expected to hit the shelves soon. So let's see what it is. Anyway, this is also cute itself. So we went through the different products of Funko Pops, and these are the things. Right now, which is heavily in craze is Funko Pop, and after that sodas. Sodas are also well sought by the fans across the globe because it is limited in number, and the quality of the soda vinyl figures are also a little bit very standard, people say. I am not that much attracted towards soda. I had a soda, but I flipped it. I frankly admit that I'm a more of a flipper than of a collector. I bought 4 sodas, Fred Flintstone soda for 10,000 and sold it for 19,000 after 4 months when its value peaked like almost a double it became. So I sold it off. So I don't have any soda for you people to show. So maybe in future, if I get a good soda vinyl figurine, we will do the review and unboxing of that. So no issues. There are so many figurines to review and unbox in coming videos, so we will do that. Thank you guys. If you like the content of this channel, kindly subscribe and also support us in the FB group Funko Fans of India, and also follow our FB page Funko Fans of India. Thank you. Take care.